Hello, my name is Roth Davies. I'm a criminal defense lawyer in Overland Park, Kansas. In this series of videos, I'm going to be talking a little bit about the criminal defense process and basically walk you through a criminal defense case from start to finish. Now, the first part of every criminal case is there has to be an allegation that a crime has been committed. This can be done through initial police contact. Maybe a police officer witnesses a crime that's been committed, or it can be reported to the police by a witness. Either someone calling 911 or calling the non-emergency line and reporting that a crime's been committed. Now, this kicks off the investigation stage of a case. That's what the police do, law enforcement does, is they investigate crimes and gather evidence. Now, when a police officer goes out to gather evidence based on allegation of a crime, they might interview witnesses, take witness statements. They may go collect physical evidence if there's some sort of physical thing that is associated with the crime. And maybe it's broken glass, or maybe it's fingerprints or something like that, blood samples. Another part of the investigation will be obtaining a search warrant. In some cases, law enforcement may seek out a judge to get a search warrant to search a premises. These are all parts of the investigation stage of a case. Now, at this point, a criminal defense lawyer will have little involvement in the case because they don't know that the case has even come about yet. And in some cases, the police will go out and investigate a crime, and they will find that no crime has been committed or that there's not enough evidence to charge a person with a crime. At the conclusion of some investigations, the police will find that there isn't enough evidence to find that a crime has been committed, and the case will end right then. If the police do believe that a crime's been committed, then they will turn over their findings or the products of their investigation to the district attorney's office or a city prosecutor, depending on what crime they believe has been committed. Now remember, the investigation stage is just the first process to any criminal case. If you'd like to find out more about criminal cases and how they progress, continue to watch these videos.